What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain 83 with my second aircraft review. Right now, you are staring at a UPS Boeing 767-300 without the winglets and the scale 1/500 by Skymarks. Now, this magnificent aircraft I got in 2011 from the airplane shop in Fairfield, New Jersey. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Now, I'm going to take you on the aircraft right now. There you see the L1 door. A side cargo door to allow for parcels to be loaded from the side of the aircraft. Worldwide services, synchronizing the world of Congress. And the registration of this aircraft, November 314 UP, or November 314 Uniform Papa. There you see two of the Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines on the 767. Now you're staring at the front of the aircraft. And there's the registration right there. UPS. Now I'm going to take it over to the other side and show you the APU. There you see the APU right there. Tailplanes. Now I'm going to take you over onto the port and starboard side of the aircraft. And this tour is complete. The UPS livery on the tail. The registration of this aircraft. The two cargo doors where parcels could be loaded from there. From this one that you seen right there, I'm going to bring it around towards the Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines, and then you see the other one right there. And that's it. UPS uses this aircraft to deliver parcels 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from their corporate headquarters in Louisville, Kentucky, to Orlando McCoy Field, Jacksonville, Miami, Tampa, Fort Lauderdale, Atlanta, Hartsfield, Jackson, Charlotte Douglas International Airport, Newark Liberty International, Philadelphia International, Boston Logan, New York John F. Kennedy, Bradley Field, Cleveland Hopkins, Chicago O'Hare, Detroit Metropolitan International Airport, Minneapolis St. Paul, Los Angeles, California, Dallas Fort Worth, Anchorage, Alaska, San Francisco, Portland, Seattle, Houston, Phoenix, Tucson, and Las Vegas. I'll give you another good view of the aircraft right there. Very nicely done by Skymarks. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the Airport Lounge, this is Captain 83 signing off for now.